Digital marketing is so important for small businesses to be using right now for so many reasons, maybe to generate leads or boost sales, and I'm going to share all those reasons why, in addition to sharing some strategies that you could be using right now. Fending off competitors is a great reason to be using digital marketing. Do me a favor, right now, go to Google search and type in the name of the service or the product that you offer. Now, Google essentially lists out websites and blog posts and videos that relate to whatever someone searches. So you'll notice that competitors come up for those that say a little ad or they say sponsored next to the ad. It's all text-based ads, but these other websites, these other businesses show up when you search something. You can imagine that this happens on even a more localized scale in maybe your local community and you're a hair salon and someone types in women's haircuts, some competitors might be coming up, or just that your website's not coming up for that search result. So utilizing something like Google Ads helps to fend off competitors and gets you to these top search result positions that would be really hard to get otherwise. Now, Google Ads is a whole world on its own. Paid search as a marketing outlet is a whole thing. So if you want to know more about that, let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to make more videos on it. Now, in general, the digital ecosystem is really the new storefront. Back in the day, people would go to downtown areas with a lot of shops to get everything they needed for their week, whether that be paper towel maybe, or toilet paper, food. But now people these days, we go to grocery stores and a lot of those big box stores have everything we need, but a lot of us go online to find things we need like clothes or food or even things like paper towels, some just essentials. So back in the day, if somebody wanted to sell goods and services, they would get a shop in one of those downtown areas, they'd put the name of their business and what they offer on the outside, and people would walk by a lot more often than they do now during the day, and they might stop in, shop, and buy. Now you need to be online promoting yourself in order to get people to visit your website or visit your social media pages to see what your services are all about, because that's where people are. People are consuming content online on platforms like YouTube and Facebook and TikTok. That's where people are. So you need to be where people are, just like people back in the day had to. Now this goes into my next strategy where you need to build out your social media pages. You need to be creating social media content. I know it's hard to dive into. I know it can feel like it's just like, I don't want to be doing this on top of running my business. But trust me, small businesses have to be on social media. That's where you get power. A small business can set up a YouTube channel or a Facebook page or a TikTok account for free and immediately start getting reach, eyeballs on what their business offers, people going to their website. This is, again, free. You just have to spend the effort to make the content, which I know can be a bear, but it helps get your name out there so quickly. And that's really the big benefit of digital marketing too. So when making social media content or even content for your website, always remember that people are going online to seek out entertainment, shopping, they're there to do research. The true power that digital marketing gives small businesses is that it really does equal the playing field a bit. Now, a big business can go on Google Ads and spend a lot more money, tens of thousands per month. But what if they're not as local? What if they're just going national? They're kind of trying to go after bigger fish, right? So the local smaller businesses can really thrive because maybe you're only targeting a small city area that would help you grow your business, but is really not important to these bigger guys. That's what really equals the playing field, digital marketing. And when it comes to building a following and getting reach, I'm a prime example of it. I'm a solo person who has started a TikTok account and some other pages as well, but I've grown my following to 120,000 plus followers in only a year or two that I do that. So this really gives small businesses, people like me, who's also a small business owner, the power to get myself out there. So that's really why digital marketing is so powerful and beneficial. Now, I know I've touched on a couple of digital marketing strategies in this video, but let me know if you want me to go more in depth and provide some more. I have a plethora for businesses to try out because it's not a one-size-fits-all situation, but let me know in the comments if you want me to do more videos like this and ones that touch on strategy a bit more. Also, make sure to check out some other videos I have. I touch on TikTok and growing a huge TikTok following because that's where I've had a lot of success in. You can also subscribe to get just notifications whenever I release a new video. I'm planning to touch on everything digital marketing related to help you be just that much more savvy in it. And other than that, I hope you have an amazing day.